harmony with nature. This is where the world's finest leather is born.
Deep within the morning mist of the jungle lies the source of nature's finest materials, transformed by expert hands. In the tranquil waters of the river, these powerful reptiles possess a natural armor, coveted for its unique texture and durability.
In this pristine environment, we find the source of true luxury, the flawless scales of the Nile crocodile.
All right, team, let's get him onto the stretcher. Careful now.
Steady lift. I have the head secure. Moving to the crate. Morning. Confirming the leather shipment.
Yes, everything is accounted for.
All right, you're cleared.
The symmetry of the scales is paramount. Our artisans meticulously examine each hide, ensuring only...
This slow, meticulous buffing process enhances the texture, resulting in a luxurious finish that is soft to the touch.
The key to working with genuine crocodile is the dye absorption. Matching the swatch requires absolute precision under controlled light.
Cast in Italy, these pieces undergo hours of polishing to achieve this flawless, mirror-like finish.